Hello. These days, more and more managers are being asked to be coaches. So, what does this mean? And how should you do it? So, say someone, a team member of yours, comes to you for advice. For example, how to get a computer restarted that has just crashed. What would you do? Perhaps you would give a verbal answer, or show them, or ask them to speak to someone else, or consult the manual, or ask them to think through what they could do. All those answers can be valid, but only one is a coaching response, asking them to think it through. This is because coaching is all about drawing the information out from the other person rather than putting the information in. So the key skill of a coach is the ability to ask appropriate questions and not dive in with their own answers. So what would be good questions that a manager as coach might ask in the above scenario? Possibilities include, what have you tried already? And what happened? What might be a good thing to do next, other than come and see me? Is there any source of information you might want to consult? This approach does have its difficulties. It is slow, it may make the other person feel uncomfortable, and it may frustrate them if they know that you know the answer. Why not just tell me? And it may frustrate you if what you want to do is tell them so that they can go and get it done. But this approach does have some powerful benefits. It makes the other person think through the problem for themselves. And as they do so, they're more likely to understand the problem better and own the solution more, because it is theirs. It prevents people from becoming lazy and dependent on others. And most learners get a sense of satisfaction from getting there themselves. We all like to solve problems. And most coaches get a real sense of satisfaction too, from helping develop others. Clearly there will be times when coaching isn't appropriate, particularly when it's a request for straightforward factual information. If someone asks you where the toilet is, it may not be helpful to say, well, where do you think it might be? However, at its best, coaching develops capacity and a greater sense of satisfaction in both the coach and the learner. Thank you for listening.